Hello dear and lovely friends, welcome back to this channel, and if you are new here for the first time, you are welcome as well. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do this bridal beaded cap. This cap is mostly used in Nigeria for traditional weddings, and that is why it is called a bridal beaded cap. I have used it on one of my videos. You may as well want to check it out. I will put the suggestion up here on top of this video. With a click, you can watch this video. But for now, let us move on to making this cap. The material needed are cap, scissors, glue, brush. You may need a hand glove and something to cover your table, and you will need a cheap beads. I just want to talk a little bit about this glue. You can see that there is no label. This is because I bought it in Africa and I was told that this is the best glue to use for this cap, and it doesn't have a label, and this is a glue that the shoe builder used in Nigeria. So I'm using it for the first time, and I don't even like the color, this jellish color on my white cheap bead. But if I try it now and it's visible, I'm going to be using the glue I'll be using before. You may notice that I strand my bead on a fishing line, a transparent fishing line, because it's a white bead, so I decided to do it like that. With my needle still attached to the fishing line, I will now attach the fishing line to the cap from the inside. The next thing I'm going to do is that I will apply my glue to the cap. You can decide to use your brush to spread it out before you apply your beads on it, or you can start to arrange your beads on it, but make sure that the bead that you are arranging are sitting very closely. And this is how you will continue until you cover the whole cap. You see, it is a very easy cap. You just have to find the materials and you can do your cap. I hope this was helpful, and if it does, please leave a comment, leave a like and share. And if you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And remember, you are amazing. Thank you very much, and see you in the next tutorial.